Ever wished you could back up or restore your entire WordPress website with just a click, without wrestling with complicated tools or risking any downtime? Well, today, I'm going to walk you through the easiest and most reliable way to protect your site using the UpdraftPlus plugin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do a full backup and a stress-free restore, literally with one click. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to install and configure UpdraftPlus. This isn't just any backup tool. UpdraftPlus has earned its reputation as the most popular backup plugin for WordPress, and for good reason. Millions of site owners trust it because it works and it's super straightforward. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard and head to the Plugins tab. Click on Add New, then use the search bar to type in UpdraftPlus. You should see it featured right at the top. Click Install Now, and as soon as it's finished, hit Activate. Sometimes the dashboard takes a few seconds to refresh. Don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. Next up, you need to access the plugin settings. You'll find a new menu item under Settings called UpdraftPlus Backups. Go ahead and click that. Once you're in, pause for a moment and look at the tabs. We're heading to Settings first. Here's the important part. By default, UpdraftPlus stores your backups on your web hosting server, but if anything ever happens to your host, those backups could vanish too, so it's always a smart move to choose remote storage. That means your backups will be safely tucked away on something like Google Drive or Dropbox, away from the server where your website lives. Select your preferred storage option and follow the brief prompts to log in and link your account. This just takes a minute, but it's absolutely worth it for peace of mind. Alright, now for the fun part, creating your backup with just one click. In the UpdraftPlus interface, switch over to the Backup/Restore tab. You'll see a big blue button labeled Backup Now. Hard to miss. Go ahead and click it. A little window pops up with two checkboxes. Include your database in the backup and include your files in the backup. Make sure both are checked, especially if you plan on restoring your entire site, not just part of it. The database contains all your posts, settings, and user information, while your files are things like images, themes, and plugins. When you click the final Confirm, you'll see a progress bar appear. This part might take a few moments if you have a big site, so hang tight and maybe grab a coffee. Once it's finished, you'll see your new backup listed in the existing backups section, marked with today's date. Now imagine your site gets messed up, a bad plugin update, or something else goes wrong. Restoring is just as easy. Still in the UpdraftPlus Backup/Restore area, scroll to the existing backups list. Find the backup you want, usually the most recent one, and click the Restore button next to it. Here, UpdraftPlus gives you a wizard to guide you through which parts to restore. For a full site recovery, tick all the boxes. Plugins, themes, uploads, others, and database. Basically, checking everything will rewind your site completely to how it was at the moment of your backup. Click Next, then Restore, and let the plugin do its job. This is when UpdraftPlus earns its reputation. It handles everything for you, and you'll see a Restore Successful message once it's finished. That's it. Your WordPress site is brought back to its previous state, ready to go. Backing up your website is like wearing a seatbelt. You hope you never need it, but if you do, you'll be so glad it's there. If this video helped you protect your site, hit the like button. Don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further help. I always love hearing from you. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.